Whiteboard animation involves creating animated videos by hand-drawing images or writing text on a virtual whiteboard or its equivalent to explain, depict, or promote a specific business or service. Whiteboard animation movies have been a popular marketing strategy due to their high conversion rate, as they are visually appealing, simple to use, and to the point. Doodly is a whiteboard animation software that allows users to create professional-looking doodle-style animations using a variety of pre-designed characters, props, and backgrounds. The software's drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to create videos, even for people with no prior video production knowledge. Users can access various canvases, like a whiteboard, greenboard, blackboard, and glassboard, to create doodle videos. It also includes a library of pre-designed characters, props, and backgrounds, as well as the ability to import your own images and videos. Additionally, Doodly has hand-drawn sketch styles and multiple animation options, along with voiceover recording and text-to-speech capabilities. The software is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems, and it offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Doodly is used for creating explainer videos, marketing videos, product demos, and more. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this whiteboard animation tool to increase your audience retention and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Doodly review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Doodly. What does Doodly really do? Doodly is a whiteboard animation software that allows anyone to create professional doodle videos in minutes. With a large library of custom-drawn doodle images and royalty-free music, users can easily make engaging sketch animations in whiteboard, blackboard, glassboard, and green screen styles. Doodly provides a friendly user interface and does not require any coding skills to create professional-looking, interactive, and high-quality animation videos that attract and convert audiences. Doodly removes the need for expensive video production, putting compelling video creation within reach of all users. Doodle utilizes its point-and-click functionality to draw images for blackboard, glassboard, and even green screen animations. Its integrated Smart Draw technology allows users to import images and create point-and-click custom draw paths. For audio editing, Doodly allows users to drag and drop background music to any video timeline and adjust audio volume with the click of the mouse. You can also export videos at various video resolutions and quality levels. Benefits and key features of Doodly. 1. User-friendly interface. Doodly's drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to add elements and customize scenes, saving both time and effort. Users with no prior experience can easily create professional whiteboard videos in minutes. 2. Extensive library of assets. Doodly's diversified library of pre-made characters, props, and backgrounds provides solutions to suit different video themes and messages, improving the overall quality of your content. 3. Flexibility in video creation. Doodly's ability to add voiceovers, background music, and custom images provides flexibility in tailoring your videos to match your desired style. 4. Time-saving templates. Doodly ready-made templates serve as the foundation for your projects, helping you save time while still delivering captivating animations. 5. Easy video editing. Doodly allows you to tweak several aspects like timelines, duplicating scenes, deleting scenes, and much more. With Doodly, you can also edit the length of each stage that you sketch. 6. Custom draw paths. With Doodly, you can make custom draw paths for any image, making the imported image look more natural and making it look like it was hand-drawn. 7. Pre-made scenes and characters. If you don't want to use custom images, then Doodly also has a huge library of pre-made scenes and characters that you can use. This is great if you want to create an animation video quickly, as all you need to do is drag and drop the scene or character that you want to use. 8. Automatic durations. Doodly automatically aligns the durations of your drawings to the length of your scene. This is a huge time saver if you aim to keep the pen alive while making better whiteboard videos. Pricing and plans. Doodly offers a range of pricing options, which gives users the flexibility to choose a plan that best suits their needs and budget. The 14-day free trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The other plans include the standard and enterprise plans. If you pay annually and sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited character and prop assets. Pros: a diverse collection of hand-drawn elements, characters, and props. Users can import their own images and videos into the software. It offers hand-drawn sketch styles and multiple animation options. Doodly has voiceover recording and text-to-speech capabilities. Videos created in Doodly can be exported in a variety of formats. It contains a variety of board styles, images, and free music built into it. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 14-day free trial comes with limited features. Conclusion: Doodly is a powerful and valuable whiteboard animation tool designed to help users create engaging and visually appealing explainers and marketing videos in the style of Doodle videos. It's perfect for educators, marketers, and content creators looking to produce eye-catching, informative, and explainer videos without needing advanced design skills or technical expertise. Its user-friendly interface, vast asset library, and budget-friendly pricing make it an attractive option for individuals and small businesses looking to create compelling whiteboard animations. Doodly helps you generate and convert leads, increase revenue, and create new revenue streams. It enables you to adapt to your audience's needs by using numerous formats that create interest and grab attention. With Doodly's easy interface and key features, you can get professional results in minutes. Doodly is ready to work with you to achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Doodly. If you enjoyed this Doodly review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.